Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying a sleek bun with the new Pattern Beauty Stronghold Gel. I'm excited to try this because this is actually going to be the very first time that I've ever tried anything Pattern Beauty. So I'm curious to see how this is going to work out. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm going to start off by spraying my hair with water like I typically would when I'm doing a slick look. So I'm gonna need my water bottle, my hard brush, and my really thick hair tie. Y'all know how this goes. Slick back looks are very intense for me, just because there's a lot going on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet my hair. This is just water. Again, this is how I always start. Trying to decide what part I want, if I want to do like a middle part or a side. Okay, so I'm doing a middle part, so I'm just going to take my comb and part as best down the middle as I can. Okay, so this is like somewhat a middle part, so I'm just going to continue to spray more water. And I'm going to start to brush my hair to try to flatten it down. Was that a flake? Y'all ain't see that. Y'all ain't see that. It's always work doing this. Getting it as flat as possible. I'm gonna wet some more. I usually like to form how it's gonna go before I actually put it up. I kind of want it to the side. So I think I'm gonna kind of do it like that. Okay, so now it's time to actually put the gel on. It smells okay. It doesn't really smell that good. Just like a basic gel. So, I'm just gonna start to apply it. I don't know how much of this I actually need, but it is, just to give y'all a little bit more info, it is the Pattern Stronghold Gel, like I said at first, Slick and Snatched is what it says on the jar. And it says it's great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when you need a healthy hold for a slick look. Never damaging or drying, our flexible Stronghold Gel provides long-lasting hold without breaking hair or edges. Okay. Infused with sea moss, aloe vera, and chia seeds to nourish and fortify curls, our gel texture has built-in slip to easily distribute through the hair. Ideal for a slick look of your choosing and styles that need extra hold. Okay, so this is basically just for the slick look. Ponytail, the slick bun. I guess that's what this product is for. So hopefully it gives me what it says. So I'm going to start to brush. I think that's enough gel for now. I'm just going to start to brush to see what it's looking like. Okay. So it's slicking, of course, as y'all can see. It looks very shiny. Ooh, it looks good. I feel like it's giving me this extra shine. But that's typically what gels do, but not bad. Whew. Let's take a breather. Okay. I'm gonna apply a little bit more on the back side here because I think I got some little bumps. I typically don't spend all day doing my like slick back looks because I'm not about to just sit here all day and deal with my hair like that. Just to put it in a bun. Now I will deal with it when I'm actually like styling it, of course. If it has a few little bumps, I'll just be like, okay, whatever. So I'm just gonna try to form it one last time just to get it as slick as I can. And then I'm gonna take my big scrunchie, my big hair tie, and form my ponytail. Ooh. What an arm workout, y'all. Seriously. Okay. Last time. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of like try to tighten this a little bit. And then I'm gonna roll it up. And then tie it with my other hair tie. Ooh. Okay, I have some little bumps on the side, so I'm gonna take a little bit more gel and just slick those parts down. Ooh, I do have another little bump in the back, but like I said, I don't have all day to be doing this. So I really like it. It looks good. It looks good. It looks really slick, actually. I actually do like the hold of this. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like it's holding it down for sure. And it's not like I have as many waves either in my hair. It's like more so just sleek down. Okay, I really think I like this product. Is it something that I could have been okay without? Probably, most likely. But hey, it works. I feel like it does what it says, and I feel like my bun is really cute. So yeah, would I use this again for sure? Is it something that I would just be dying to repurchase? I don't know yet. I mean, this is still my first time using it. Like I said, it looks great. I feel like for sure, I don't know, but I feel like there's not as many waves as would normally be in my hair. So that's obviously a plus. But yeah, y'all, this is it. This is my sleek bun. As always, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I would love some love. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.